How to smart shutter and watch faces. How to change watch faces and customize watch faces on the app. Go to the Wear Fit Pro application. Go to the Devices tab and select the Watch Faces option. Scroll down and select the desired watch face, download and install. Note, we have partnered with Wear Fit Pro, a third-party smartwatch application to power our Ignite S3 Pro. 1. Crossbeats will not be responsible for in-app purchases made via Wear Fit Pro. 2. Crossbeats does not save your personal data and is not responsible for any data stored on Wear Fit Pro. Inbuilt watch faces, touch and hold the home screen. You will enter the watch face menu. Scroll and select the watch face of your choice. How to use Smart Shutter. Go to the Wear Fit Pro application and enter the Devices tab. Tap on Taking Pictures and allow permissions. Now the camera will open on your phone. Shake your wrist to click pictures.